Right, today we're going to take this dumper truck to my work because the clutch is packed up, and the clutch is on the back of the gearbox and engine. You can get to it all, but it's not particularly nice conditions here to be doing it outside, and I keep thinking I'll do it, but I never get around to doing it. So I'm going to take it to work where I can put it on the ramp, be all nice and warm and dry, and do it there. But of course it doesn't drive, so we've got to somehow get it onto the trailer. So what we're going to do now is start it up so we get the steering and pull it with my Land Rover. I haven't started this for quite a while, so I'm hoping it's a pretty good starter, but it's very cold and it hasn't started for a while. So we'll see how we get on. Wait there, let me just see what else I can do. Oh, let's try that. Oh. Right, what I've done now of the rack on the injectors, you obviously have to push it all the way open for it to start, but I've wedged a stick in it so that it's as far as it can go, because it normally doesn't need it, but it's so cold and it hasn't started for so long. So when it does start, I can just pull the stick out and it'll sort itself out. I say when, here. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's warmed me up a bit anyway. Look at that. I'll get the bucket there. Right, we'll try and put it back in the Land Rover. made it here to my workshop, so what we'll do on Monday, we won't do it now because it's a bit cold and it's starting to get late, so obviously got the dump truck on the trailer, managed to get here, everything's fine, easy peasy with the mighty little Land Rover pulling us along. So then on Monday we'll get this off, get it on the ramp, and the job to do is the clutch. The clutch is like, on this it's like a, I don't know that much about it, but it's like a brake drum, so it's got two brake shoes that go out to engage the clutch. So I guess they've got springs to pull them in, and what's happened, I think, by the sounds of it, one of the springs is broken, so both or one of the shoes are sort of flapping around, so they catch or don't catch, and plus they don't engage properly. So I'll sort of try and show you a little bit, but the whole clutch mechanism is just here. I don't know if that will spin. I can't spin it, but that's the outer bit and that's the inner bit, and the bit that actually makes it go in and out, I've taken that off already. So somehow I need to get a puller on that and try and pull it off and then see what's in there. But looking on the internet, it says it's the same brake shoes as a Triumph Herald, so if we need new shoes, we'll be able to get them, so we'll see. So yeah, we'll see you next time when we hopefully get this clutch fixed.